Good morning. Let's go. I am ready for work. No time. I need to go. I love Saturday mornings.
This is the coffee shop. It is called Cozy Bean Cafe. Coffee shop. Brown works at the coffee shop.
I am here. I work at this coffee shop.
Good morning, Brown. Welcome.
Good morning, Cindy. I am ready to work.
Good morning, Brown. Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready. Cappuccino. That is a long word.
Hold the cup like this, both hands steady.
Like this? Okay, I can do this. I can make a latte. Look at this. It is beautiful. Can I take your order, please?
Well done, Brown. Very good.
Thank you, Cindy. Here is your latte. Enjoy your drink.
Anna, Jack, let's go visit Dad at the coffee shop.
Yes, I want hot chocolate.
I want to help Dad. Hello? Can I take your order, please?
I'd like a cappuccino, please.
One cappuccino? Of course. Cappuccino. Cappuccino. Okay, one step at a time.
Excuse me, I ordered the latte, not the cappuccino.
Oops, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Latte, cappuccino, latte, cappuccino.
Check your notepad, Brown.
Oh, I see. The latte is for the lady on the left. Here is your latte, and here is your cappuccino. Enjoy.
Thank you very much.
C-A-P-P-U-C-C-I-N-O. Cappuccino. Whoa, too much steam.
Like this. Tilt the pitcher. Keep it steady, nice and slow.
Okay, tilt, steady. Yes, it is working. Look, I did it. I can make a cappuccino.
Yes, beautiful. You can do it, Brown.
1, 2, 3 ice cubes. Here is your iced tea. Enjoy.
Thank you very much.
Okay, I can do this. Let's go. One latte for here. Yes, please. Thank you. Here is your latte, and here is your cappuccino.
Thank you.
Yes.
You are doing great, Brown. I am proud of you.
Thank you, Cindy. I make mistakes, but I keep trying.
Let's go visit Dad at the coffee shop. Yes, I want hot chocolate.
I want to help Dad.
There it is. I can see the coffee shop.
Come on, let's go, faster.
Jack, walk please, don't run.
Oh, it's so cozy and warm in here.
It smells like chocolate.
Where's Dad? I can see the coffee machine. Oh, my family. They are here.
Dad! Hi, Dad!
Hey, Dad, we are here!
Let's sit here, by the window. What drinks can we order, Mom?
Let's look at the menu.
Good morning. Welcome to Cozy Bean Cafe.
Dad, you sound like a real waiter.
I am a real waiter today. Today we have latte, cappuccino, iced tea, and hot chocolate with marshmallows.
Marshmallows! I want marshmallows.
I want iced tea, I think.
I would like hot chocolate with extra marshmallows, please.
Hot chocolate with extra marshmallows. Of course, mademoiselle.
Dad, you're funny.
I am funny and professional.
Dad, I can help. I can carry things. Can I carry a tray?
Okay, Jack. Can you carry a tray? Yes, I can. I can carry anything. This is a tray. Can you carry this?
Wow, it's big, but yes, I can carry this.
I can do this.
Oops.
Don't worry, it happens to everyone.
Don't worry, Jack. I make mistakes too. It's okay.
I'm sorry, Dad. I'm really sorry.
Don't worry. It is just a cup.
No problem. This happens all the time. You are very brave, Jack.
Jack is okay. Don't worry, Anna.
He's okay. Jack is okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 marshmallows. Extra marshmallows for Anna. Nice and careful. Nice and careful. Hot chocolate with extra marshmallow, mademoiselle.
Oh, it's beautiful. Perfect.
Anna, you have a marshmallow mustache.
What? Oh no.
Okay, lesson time. What is this?
I know.
Espresso.
Espresso.
Milk.
Milk.
Cappuccino.
Cappuccino. Espresso machine. Milk. Cappuccino is on the menu.
That is a cappuccino machine?
Almost. Try again, Jack. Milk pitcher. Milk pitcher.
Milk pitcher. Milk pitcher.
One moment, please. Hello! Can I take your order, please?
I would like 1 latte, 1 cappuccino, and 1 iced tea, please.
1 latte, 1 cappuccino, 1 iced tea.
Is that correct?
Excuse me, I think I ordered the cappuccino, not the latte.
Oh, I'm sorry. You were right. I'm sorry. One moment, please. I will get the right one.
No problem. Take your time.
Before you go to the machine, always read your notes first.
Yes, you are right. Thank you. Cappuccino. Yes, cappuccino. I can do this. Here is your cappuccino. I'm sorry for the wait.
Thank you. It looks perfect.
I can take your order, please. Can I take your order, please?
Yes, I would like an iced tea, please.
1 iced tea?
Yes, please. I can do this. I can carry this tray. Yes, I did it! I can carry the tray!
I did it, Dad.
You did it, Jack! High five! Quiz time! What is this?
A cup. It's a cup.
Correct! Well done, Anna! Apron!
Apron.
Cup! Cob!
Tray.
Yes, you know all the words. Amazing!
What is this?
Bicycle helmet. Correct. Well done. I am so proud of you.
Good worker, Brown. Good man.
Thank you. I am learning every day.
One latte, please.
1 latte for here? Perfect. One moment, please. One latte, 1 cappuccino, 1 iced tea. Here you go.
Here are your napkins.
Thank you, Anna.
You're welcome.
You make a great latte. Thank you.
Oh, thank you very much. That means a lot.
Thank you, little helper.
You're welcome.
1 cappuccino, please.
1 cappuccino,
And 1 iced tea for me.
1 iced tea. 1 cappuccino, 1 iced tea coming right up.
Your iced tea, your cappuccino. Enjoy!
Thank you! This is perfect!
We should get ready to wait for Dad. I want to come back here every Saturday.
Me too. Can I be a real helper next time?
You had a good day, Brown. You kept going when it was hard. That is what matters.
Thank you. I will come back next Saturday. Goodbye, Apron. See you next Saturday.
See you next Saturday, Brown. You were great today.
See you next Saturday, Cindy. Thank you for everything.
He's coming. Brown is coming. Dad! Dad!
Dad is here.
Dad!
Hello, my family. I am so happy to see you.
Dad, can I ride the bicycle?
Tomorrow, Anna. Tomorrow.
Dad, do you like working at the coffee shop?
Yes, it is hard, but I like it very much. Mom, why do people make mistakes?
Because we're learning, Jack. Mistakes help us get better.
Like Dad today?
Yes, exactly like Dad today.
Let's review our words. Word number 10, tired.
Tired. I am tired, but I am happy.
Word number 1, coffee shop.
I work at the coffee shop.
Word number 2, apron.
He puts on his apron.
Word number 3, bicycle.
He rides his bicycle to work.
Word number 4, customer.
Can I take your order, please? I say this to a customer.
Word number 5, order.
I would like a hot chocolate, please. That is my order.
Word number 6, mistake.
I dropped the cup. That was my mistake, but it's okay.
Word number 7, patient.
The manager is patient. He does not get angry. He waits.
Word number 8, tray.
I can carry the tray. I did it.
Word number 9, marshmallow.
Hot chocolate with extra marshmallows, please. We're home.
Home. I am tired. Very, very tired.
You worked very hard today, Brown.
Yes, and I made mistakes, but I kept going.
That is what matters most.
Can I take your order,
please?
You're welcome. I can carry the tray. I can't, but I can try.
See you after work. I love you.
We love you, Dad. Good luck.